Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I will show you how to make guacamole. Okay, first, you see I have these avocados. They say you smash them with a fork. I don't know. I try this. I think I need a fucking egg blender. This is crazy. But I do what they tell me, you know? Oh yeah. Come on. Come on! You fucking come on. Oh yeah. I take it. I take your fucking avocados. Come on. You know, this is crazy. I do it by hand. I kill these fucking avocados. Squish them like I squish my fucking cockroaches. Okay. Okay. That's crazy. I understand. I know. I am impatient. That's okay. That's okay. Oh yeah. So I wash my hands again. You don't judge me. You don't know. Okay. So then I add the onion. I add tomatoes. There's only 8 ingredients. Jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Then you add the salt and pepper. And I just bought coño. I bought a garlic press. I don't need this, but I buy it because it is fun. Mira. Press all that garlic. Coño. Maybe it's better to cut the garlic. Coño. I think it's better to cut the garlic. I don't like this. It's better to cut the garlic. Okay. Coño. I make such a mess with the guacamole. It's better to do it with gloves. But I have clean hands, so that is good. Okay, now I use the knife. I stir this all together. You have amazing guacamole. Don't think many people do this right, but that's okay. Oh yes, look at that. I think that tomatoes and onions are very important when you make a guacamole. Many people, they think of this as a dip, but no. I'll show you. Okay. Look at this. You look at this. Look at that. Isn't that fantastical? And tomorrow I make steak chimichangas. Yes. With this amazing guacamole. Oh yes. Coño. That's very good. So, I thank you for watching. Now I clean up this fucking mess. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Gracias.